Right, you need a little nudge forwards, do you?
No.
Do you want to kickstart?
No.
Oh my god, you got a big fat hairy caterpillar in the back there. It's making its way towards your neck. There's a caterpillar coming up behind you, Dad. Down in Mersea today, going to go for a little open water swim. It's high tide right about now. So we're going to play around these little creeks a little bit, then make our way over to Mersea Island, which is about there. Have a little wander around Mersea Island, avoid the jet skis, and we got a kayaking in support. So he's going to paddle alongside. We're going to track it on the Garmin, but we're not too worried about it. Just have it running in the background, why not? Yeah, easy. Oh. We're also going no glasses today, so I hope I can see things. I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh. You won't get across there, you ain't got the power. Go on, power strokes! You're not punting down the river. Oh. Alright, the official race is over to that little black post before the real open water gets here. You in your kayak, me on my feet. Who's going to win? You. Alright, go on then, have a head start. Go on then. Glad your head start. Oh, he's coming up to me. Oh, too slow. Oh. He can't handle the wind. Winner. What do you have to say for yourself? You can see now Stru's just getting covered by water. So everyone's queuing up here waiting to go across. Some of them are driving through, some of them aren't. You've got to be an absolute lad to drive through there. Let's have a tow, bruv. Give us a tow. Go out and away you go. I'm giving you a little foot kick as well, just help out. Nearly there. Oh, I don't know how far that is. Not far at all. Good old doggy paddle to finish. And we're there. Oh. Oh, it's bedded out. Oh, too many pork pies in lockdown. Too many pork pies. What are my scores? Out of 10. 7.5. Oh, that's not bad. Look at him powering on through there, trying to beat me. He doesn't know. I'm just going to turn up the heat and overtake him now. See you, mate. Nearly beat me. Little parking spot.
Oh, you bloody yob!
Gandalf exploring the island. Oh sir, you've wet yourself. Bring any snacks?
Recommend that, high protein.
Oh, nice bit of crab. Hey, I ate your dessert. There's normally a bit of a beach here, but where the tide's that bit higher, just covered it for a minute. And we're in. Hey. We interrupt this adventure for a quick tree tour. Little apples. Do you prefer crabs or crab apples?
Right, blend the two together.
Oh, nice. Very brief tour of Mersea Island. Now we're heading back because we might run out of water and it's pretty muddy on the other side. Back to the old vessel. He's aching after his 30 minutes paddle across there. Good job he didn't sign up for the Thames.
You sure that's not the channel?
That might be the channel over there actually. How was your first ever time exploring Mersea Creeks?
I've been there since I was like that.
Oh, right, okay. Gonna jump back in there. I don't think you'll be able to get back through there because I think you floated over a lot of the little bits, didn't you?
I'll go for it.
You going for it? YOLO?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah, walk along there, stand up in the boat, off you go. Oh my god, this is not going to go well. I would not do this. Oh my god. Right, off you go. Right, so that was a little open water swim and a little explore around Mersea Island. Gonna head back now. So yeah, make sure you belly slide into that subscribe button, like the video, and catch you next time.